Welcome back to my vlog.
Here? Yeah. Are you kidding me? Really? Are you sure? Yeah.
Yeah, wow. Ziv, look here. Look at Ziv. Hi, Ziv. Ziv, mama see, mama see. Like it? Hey. It's all today. Hello guys, we come to Lidl for a small shopping.
Okay, my phone's messed up. I've barely got your number and everything. But if I do that within the week, because I need to get a new phone and sort a few things out as a few emergency. Is it okay if I do it probably by Friday? I need to get a new phone. I can't even check some.
Hello. So आज आम्ही वयता to Broadway just to visit at the two here. So see you soon. So I just Richard's card. Guys, next stop we're going to a friend's house, so I'll take you there with me. I don't know why this man got so fast. Okay, so guys, weather sarko chodas boro hai sunny, and we are lucky for that. Like house sasta, but like weather.
Sleeping?
120 to Hounslow Bus Station. Bell Corner, Hounslow Civic Centre.
Hello guys, I'm here for lunch, and I'll show you a market full of fruits and veggies. Buy the cherries
Just walk straight. Come straight.
What is he eating? Hello, good morning. So today we're going to at a friend's place, and then maybe to explore some places.